ಶಿವಪುರ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ, ಟೆರೆನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪಿ ಟೆರೆನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಶಿವಪುರ ಕಾವಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 40 ಹೆಕ್ಟೇರ್ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಇದೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ JBCನಲ್ಲಿ 1998ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೇಶಿಯ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂದರೆ 2016-17ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಅರಣ್ಯ KSF ಯೋಜನೆಯಡಿ 12 ಹೆಕ್ಟೇರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಮೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನೆಡತೋಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರತಿ ಹೆಕ್ಟೇರ್ಗೆ 600 ಗಿಡಗಳಂತೆ, 1 ಹೆಕ್ಟೇರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 300 ಟ್ರೆಂಚಸ್ಸು, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಚ್ಗೆ 2 ಗಿಡಗಳಂತೆ, ಒಟ್ಟು ಪರ್ ಹೆಕ್ಟೇರ್ 600 ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಟ್ಟು 12 ಹೆಕ್ಟೇರ್ ನೆಡತೋಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ 7200 ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಹಾಗನಿ, ಹೆಬ್ಬೇವು, ಅಕ್ಕಾಕಾರ್ಪಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ನೇರಳೆ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಉತ್ತಮ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು, ಇದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಘಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯೋಜನೆಯಡಿ, ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ಘಟ್ಟ ಯೋಜನೆಯಡಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ನಾಲಾಬಂಡ್ ಗೋಕಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಜಾಗ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 2016-17 ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗೋಕಟ್ಟೆನೂ ಇದೆ. ನೆಡತೋಪ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ 2016-17 ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನೆಡತೋಪನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೂನ್ ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಾರದಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ತದನಂತರ 1.5 ತಿಂಗಳು ಮಳೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ ನಂತರ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಳೆ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ಶಿವಪುರ ಕಾವಲ್ ರಾಶಿಗುಡ್ಡ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್ಲೂರು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಚಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಷನ್. 13 hectares plantation in the month of June when the monsoon keep coming. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ತಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. On the onset of the monsoon in the month of June, when the monsoon rains are very good, that time these trenches, there are in 13 hectares some around 720 trenches. In each trench there are two seedlings. Total 7,200 seedlings have been actually planted here, which are in the 8x12 bags actually, and a lot of these broad-leaved fruit-yielding and timber-yielding species have been taken up here. For example, here some hebbevu, Melia dubia has been taken up, and mahogany is also here, and these timber-yielding species like Holopelian tigifolia, Maduka indica, ficus, jamun. These broad-leaved species have been taken up. Actually, in these areas, per hectare there should not be not more than 100 or maybe 200 trees. 100 to 200 trees are more than sufficient here. But here some around 600 trees have been taken up. Quite big actually. What happens? 600 trees per hectare is quite a big number here. After maybe 10, 15, 20 years, there will be a lot of jam cramming, lot of congestion of the trees. Crown development will definitely get hindered because of the very small spacing. So for broad-leaf trees where the objective is to harvest the yield of timber, then the spacing among the plants should not be should not be less than 10 by 10 meter actually, or maybe 6 by 6 meter is also good. But here these ficus, Ala Rani Godi Basri, and this mahogany, hebbevu, Holopterian tigrifolia, Pterocarpus marsupium, these broad-leaved timber species evolutionary change in the pattern of planting of the social forestry. And here cultural operations are being taken up actually on regular basis, have to be taken up. Cultural operation has to be taken on regular basis. From the month of June when we start planting, from there the formation of the bund and soil working, and a lot of labours we keep actually under the Narega also. We take up the people whoever comes here, and village forest committee is also there. The president and the village committee members, with the help of the labours, they keep coming with their mamti, pickaxe and gudli. With the help of these agricultural implements, they keep on making soil working of these bund formation, cultural operation of these plantations, regular taking care of the regular cultural seasonal soil working of the plantation is quite necessary. In the month of February, March and April, May is a huge scorching heat actually, where the temperature goes from 32 to 37 to 40 or sometimes 42 degrees centigrade also in the month of March and April. Then some kind of rains are also expected, but we are not able to. Then some certain watering is also required moisture development for the purpose of moisture development. So one Gokumte also has been taken up in this area. Farm pond and some population trenches also have been taken up. So these areas, 70 hectare area, trenches are there. Trenches themselves are the soil water conservation structures. So not only soils are conserved, but also the water is also conserved here. And these regular cultural operations of the soil working, making the bund, formation of the bund is also taken up, and across the slope, so that the good top fertile soil is get arrested, and the water also, moisture also develops in these areas. That's why the social forestry plantations will definitely have a good boost up in this area with the regular involvement of the local people. The social forestry plantation will definitely come up very nicely with a good productivity. Timber is the objective at the rotation of 20 to 30 years. If the congestion is there, the trees should not be, timber trees should not be less than 10 meter by 10 meter. Only then the growth of the clear bole, the 3 to 4 meter of girth of the timber we can expect at the rotation of 30 to 40 years. So on the rotational, the yield calculation should be actually made according to the rotation. And first rotation, second rotation, third rotation at least should be actually harvested for silviculture to mature trees. For the purpose of harvesting of the timber, if we made some periodic block, and each periodic block is actually harvested according to the rotation age, every rotation, only then the purpose of the silvicultural operation, silviculture maturity, silvicultural forestation, silviculture management of these plantations is also possible. Some firewood and some leaves also, some fodder tree species are also there, and small timber and the firewood also. That's how the local need of the local people, socio-economic conditions will improve, and the people will definitely get to the minor forest produce small timber and firewood. They will get definitely certain usufruct, and usufruct sharing is there. Village forest committee, if they participate in protection conservation, they will also get 50% of usufruct from these plantations. Thank you. Yeah, keep on. So here we can have these jamun. See the jamun. Jamun is actually required for it's a fruit yielding species, and jamun good for. There are 2-3 kinds of jamuns are there. One is a small fruit, and the bigger fruit. Actually, is a small fruit jamun actually. These jamuns are fruit yielding varieties, and for the purpose of the local people, we can have these jamuns. And we are having the other one. Balanji was coming from Kodugu, and we could have seen lorry loads together every day and night since last almost 1 or 2 years. All these Acrocarpus fraxinifolius balanjis were taken to the sawmills, for the veneer industries, for the plywood industries. A very good veneer product actually. Now we have started actually introducing this fraxinifolius Acrocarpus, 10% to 20% also. Some 10 to 20% this Acrocarpus fraxinifolius also. Balanji we have taken in our regular social forestry and other regular territorial forest division of forestry. And here we can see some Malina arborea. Malina arborea is a good small timber species. It's a very fast growing, good biomass generation and timber production species. So these timber, now we are switching over from the firewood fuelwood to the small timber to timber products, where on rotation basis the timber for the local use of the local people, for agricultural implements, for the household furniture needs, for windows, doors and windows, and for the reapers, and for molding the roofs of the people's houses actually, these timber species. So timber is already become deficient in the country. From the forest also we are not taking much harvesting the timber. So now we have to grow the timber. Timber has to be grown from the social forestry, from these degraded forest areas like this actually, where we are much more concentrating upon the Pterocarpus marsupium for the Hebbewu, for Pterocarpus marsupium, for ficus is also being produced here, cultivated here. Ficus, Ala, Rali, Goni, Basri, they are the local Walis, local shepherds. They need the ficus for the fodder. Leaves are meant for the fodder, and the timber is actually needed for the house construction and other agricultural implements. Ficus, Ala, Rali, Goni, Basri. That's how these degraded area, those lands which were lying unproductive, we are creating primary productivity and productivity of these degraded forest areas. That's how the social conservation plantations actually giving good value.